on Friday, you guys read this informational text titled The Puppy Bowl. So we are going to be looking at text evidence. Again, we won't look at all of the questions. I pulled out just 3 questions that you guys will find the text evidence for. So we're going to start off by reading this informational text. The Puppy Bowl. Months before Puppy Bowl 9 was televised, this IX is the number 9 in Roman numerals. The stars of the show arrived in New York City, where the big event is filmed. There, in a film studio, 63 puppies, 21 kittens, 9 hedgehogs, and 6 hamsters participated in the 2013 Puppy Bowl. With their big eyes and clumsy ways, puppies are very cute to watch on a football field. Audience agree. The Puppy Bowl has become an annual event drawing as many as 12.4 million viewers. Play by play. We want to make sure that we read our heading because it can tell us the main idea of what is to come, or what we're going to read. The Puppy Bowl began in 2005 when the cable channel Animal Planet had a problem. Each year, more than 100 million Americans stopped everything to watch the Super Bowl, the biggest football game of the year. This left few viewers to watch the shows on Animal Planet on the day of the Super Bowl. The cable channel decided to create a show that viewers would find interesting, trying to score a point for the team. So we have a photograph here. This is a text feature. And then we have another text feature called, what is this one right here called? The caption. And the caption tells us what is in the photograph. Many people like the idea of a Puppy Bowl. It is like a real football game in many ways. The Puppy Bowl is played in a stadium with footballs. However, the stadium is much smaller than a regular football stadium. In fact, it is closer to the size of a school classroom, and the footballs used in the Puppy Bowl aren't real footballs. They are chew toys of different shapes and sizes. Like a real football field, the Puppy Bowl stadium has field goals in the end zones and a green field that is marked with lines and advertisements posted on the surrounding walls. Of course, there is a major difference between the Super Bowl and the Puppy Bowl. The Puppy Bowl is played by puppies and not humans. But that's not all. The Puppy Show has entertaining halftime show performed by kittens. For the 2013 show, hamsters operated a blimp camera and hedgehogs were the cheerleaders. So we're going to pause here and we're going to look at a cute little video of the actual Puppy Bowl. And then we will come back on the next slide to finish this passage.